Thank you for reaching FTC for production. Welcome back to my channel, the channel of the people. Your channel, the one that when you come in, you feel like everyone is under the same sun. This is the channel of the community, the one for the working class and low-income people. The channel that cares. We're not here to sell you. FTC for production. Look for stuff that you can benefit from free. And we are in the airdrop era. It's a good time to airdrop, ladies and gentlemen. I'm bringing a lot of them because you asked for it. I'm focusing on airdrops at this moment. Supply and demand. A lot of them coming, 3 videos a day. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you with a lot of pride and respect for our soldiers, our members with uniform. Hollywood Bet Gala 2022 airdrop. This is the VetCoinHQ. This is a bet airdrop event. And it's gonna have, and the prize pool is 5 million BTC tokens. So you can actually have an idea how this is gonna go. The event already started on July 11. It's gonna end on July 31st. You have like around 3 days left. I'm sorry, 8 days left, as you can see here. So I recommend you to get as soon as you can into these and take advantage of this one, because this is a very interesting one. Like I said, there are a lot of projects coming out there which I encourage you to be part of. This company are pretty much promoting their crypto by running airdrop campaigns and giving away coins or tokens to users who complete meaningful actions. And by doing that, you learn more about this company, and they actually get themselves more exposed out there. And by getting exposed, it's mouth-to-mouth reference, like pretty much concept I'm trying to bring. They just want to be seen by others. Hey, we're here, and this is what we do for. And what is a really efficient way, attracting people by learning about them and giving them something like a reward. So that's what the airdrop is about. Now, let's get straight to business. Right here. VetCoin Foundation Airdrop. BTC is the type of coin that they use. The VetCoinHQ and Hollywood Bet Gala 2022 airdrop prize pool is worth 5 million BTC tokens. You know what? Now I'm curious. How much is 1 BTC worth, right? This is at one of their websites. Okay. Ooh. It's called Vetcoin. It's 15 cents. So if we actually have 5 million coins, right? 5 million. I'm getting a calculator right now to calculate this out. Divided by, 15 cents. This is, whoa. No, well, 5 million multiplied. Sorry, I did it wrong. This is actually $750,000, ladies and gentlemen. Approximately, or a little bit more. So I got 709 there. It's like $1 million a year in investment. This is serious. This is serious money. Very serious money. It could, well, they calculated the time that they did this, it was worth more. I mean, it's a $1.5 million approximately. But the crypto, the coin, I've been getting some hate lately, so it had dropped. But you're gonna get this on the low, so it's good. About Vetcoin Foundation. VetCoin Foundation is IRS registered, federal tax exempt foundation, and public charity eligible to receive tax deductible donation, bequest, contribution, and gift to connect, enable, and transform veterans communities through blockchain technology. So how to join the VetCoin Foundation Airdrop? Requirement to earn free crypto coins. Well, native blockchain. Step-by-step guide, VetCoinHQ, and Hollywood Gala 2022 airdrop. Step 1. You gotta log in to the VetCoin airdrop Gleam page. You gotta log in by using one of these right here. Gleam page. Right here. See, are you ready to take on a special mission? Get the up to 50 Bitcoin airdrop and a chance to participate in the okay. Receive free Bitcoins by simply following the rules and engagement below. Follow VetCoinHQ on Facebook. Follow Bitcoin on Instagram. Follow Bitcoin in Twitter. Follow Bitcoin in LinkedIn and get additional 5 BTCs. Send your MetaMask wallet public address in the comment section of the respective social media account that you followed, which is the one given above. Look at that. How do I get a MetaMask wallet? Can download in there. How do I get a free BTC? Simply paste your MetaMask wallet public address in the comments section of each social media page you have linked and follow as they gave it to you before. It's that simple. How do I view my BTC on the Polygon network? It's simple and easy. Just follow this link and watch how could you do it right there. And if I want more Bitcoins, where can I buy them? It's a good question. Now is the best time to buy BTC. We are now on public sale until March 15, 2021. When you go on public sale, who knows what the value could be, as the market will dictate the price of BTC, Bitcoin. One thing's for sure, it will only go up because of the number of coin in the market is finite. So they're limited. I definitely see myself supporting them. My respect to our members in uniform. Let me leave this page open because I'm gonna actually put this URL as well, so you take advantage of this one and have an idea what's going on. All right, you already did that. So step 3, complete the other tasks to earn entries. You already saw them, and submit your Polygon wallet address to the Gleam page. You will receive up to $50 worth of BTC tokens, a chance to participate in the next special mission. Like and share the VetCoinHQ and Hollywood Gala airdrop on your favorite SM social media. That's what it means. When using decentralized application, dApps, it's critical to remember that you are responsible for the security of your digital assets. Disclaimer: investors should take the time to research any given product before they invest their funds. Okay, this is a video which I'm not gonna play because obviously I'm gonna get hit by the algorithm on YouTube. I really apologize about that, but this is it, guys. I'm gonna leave it up to this point. I don't really wanna bother you that much. This is the website as well of our veterans. All right, I just don't want to feed you too much intel and get you bored with it. If you have further concern, don't hesitate to write me down below, but this is pretty clear. I'm gonna leave the URL of these pages so you can come in here and take advantage and check this out on your own speed. Please don't forget to subscribe in a humble way I ask you. My goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers. I think it can be done. I know it's not going to happen from dusk to dawn, but it can be done. I know that. On to the next video. 3 videos a day. That's what I'm doing, and I'm doing most likely airdrops at this time because of the demand that we have for them, and there is supply available. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for reaching FTC4.